In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on eBay account. If you need to quickly review your recent sales activity, track what buyers have purchased, or simply find your full order history as a seller, eBay makes that process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to open your orders page from your eBay account dashboard. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and that you're on the main eBay interface. From here, look toward the top area of the page and find the Sell option. Go ahead and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller side of your eBay account, where you can manage listings, sales activity, and order-related information. Once you're in the seller area, move your cursor to the Order section. Instead of clicking right away, hover over Orders so the menu can appear. This is an important step because eBay places different order views inside this dropdown, and hovering helps reveal the available options. If the menu doesn't appear immediately, just pause your cursor over orders for a moment and give the page a second to respond. After the dropdown opens, look for the option labeled All Orders. Click on All Orders to continue. This will open the page where you can view your complete order list in one place. From there, you'll typically be able to review the status of each order, see what has been sold, and check details related to fulfillment and buyer activity. This All Orders view is especially useful if you want a broader look at your order history instead of only seeing a filtered category. If you manage multiple sales, it can help you stay organized and quickly confirm whether an order is awaiting shipment, completed, or in another stage of processing. A helpful tip is to give the page a moment to fully load, especially if you have a large number of transactions. Once everything appears, you can scan through the list and open specific orders if you need more detail. And that's it. To check your orders on eBay, just click Sell, hover over Orders, and then select All Orders. It's a simple navigation path, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to return to whenever you need to review your sales.